Welcome back. Now, let's assume that you have an affiliate that when the affiliate applies for a specific offer that you have in order to promote it, you want to give that affiliate a higher commission. And you can do that by automating a commission bump for that specific affiliate. What you are going to do is to go inside of the specific offer where you want to offer the affiliate a commission bump. You are then going to go to the product for that page. And you're going to see that there's going to be an affiliate setup. What you're going to do is you're going to turn on the commission bump. And what you're going to do is to write in a specific keyword that that affiliate is going to need to use. You'll then determine what the higher commission is going to be. You're going to determine the percentage, and you're going to set the percentage. You're then going to save this product. Now, when the affiliate comes to your offer page and they click Request Approval, they're going to see this Request Notes area. And what they're going to do then is they're going to write in the bump code. They'll then click Request Offer. You will then be able to approve that affiliate. And you'll then want to click the Edit Code. And you'll then want to check the commission. Now, if for some reason the individual is not automatically bumped, you can bump them at the point of approval. And you can save the new commission. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.